Morning, YouTube.
Good morning.
I thought you were saying the intro.
I am going to say the intro. Give me a
Well,
second.
tell them how many jobs we got.
Kale and Jacob. Oh, man.
They know who we are.
Kale and Jacob here with Veteran Pro Wash. Follow us around today.
We got three jobs. Shut up. Let me do some talking.
Asshole.
We got 3 jobs for y'all today. We're going to show y'all how we make $1,000 in a day.
Guys, we just got done with job number 2, roof wash. We're going to be collecting the check and then we're going to head on to job number 3 for the day. Job number 3, let's get out there, YouTube.
chemical. This is after chemical. None of this has been surface cleaned yet. This spot may have just not been hit as heavy with chemical as all the other spots. So that's why it's still a little black, but we'll be able to get it all out with the surface cleaner.
Yeah, so we just made it back to the shop. We were able to finish up by 11:30 is whenever we cut the pressure washer off. We got everything packed up. The mobile home and the concrete pad under the patio area, typically on vinyl, will stick between a 1 and a 2%. Came back with the ball valve, rinsed everything down real good, surface cleaned and cleaned the concrete up real good. On the roof wash job, we did use a 4.5 to a 5% on that roof. It wasn't terribly dirty, so we were able to coat everything one time and everything disappeared. There was a few spots around the dormers that tend to get a little bit more shade on the north side of them that we did have to go back and hit 2 or 3 times to get them to clean up completely. And then whenever we got to the third job, pre-treated the whole driveway with a 5%, came back behind ourselves with the surface cleaner, and we were able to do that whole job. It was right at about 1,500 square foot, so not a terribly large driveway, but 1,500 square foot, we were able to get it cleaned up in about 45 minutes or so, which is pretty good. We ended up doing her sidewalk going up to her front door as well. She didn't mention that whenever we initially quoted the job, but it was only a 3-foot sidewalk that was about 30 or 40 foot long that led up to her front door. So we went ahead, we knocked that out as well. We didn't charge her anything extra, being that we were already there. Stuff like that tends to keep customers calling you back. Sometimes it's easier just to say, yeah, we'll go ahead and knock it out while we're here. You don't have to give them that free service every single time, because now whenever we go back over there, we know that that sidewalk's included in the driveway. So we were able to finish the driveway up. We finished the 2 other jobs up. All 3 customers were satisfied with everything that we did. We were back at the shop for about noon. Got the trailer put up, got the truck put up. We got started at about 7:15 this morning is whenever we arrived at the first job, and started getting set up. So not too bad of a day. We did use the trailer. Normally on residential, we'll just use the truck because, you know, we have a 5.5 gallon a minute machine on the truck and the 11 gallon a minute gas pump. So it's able to do everything that we need. You don't necessarily need an 8 gallon a minute on most of your residential jobs. But we didn't have any chemical on the truck today, so we had to bring the trailer along with us, and we just went ahead and used the 8 since we were already filling up the water tank on there to be able to pull chemical. We're going to be going tomorrow to put chemical on the truck, and we also got a meeting. We're going to have a big warehouse job that we will be getting footage of and talking about. I think it's a 107,000 square foot TPO roof that we're going to be cleaning, and also the entire exterior of the building. So y'all stay tuned for that. Stay hungry. Peace.